Good evening, everybody. Welcome to your new English YouTube classes and channel. English Pronunciation Course Lesson 3. By the end of this English Pronunciation Mini Lesson 3, you will have focused on, learned, and practiced the following objective. How to say or pronounce the phonetic sound A in words. Pronunciation practice. What we are going to do in this video, we are going just to practice our pronunciation, how to pronounce English words, because we need much practice. We need a lot of practice. We need a lot of practice. So that's what we are going to do in this video. In this lesson, we are going to focus mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound A. 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 The sound A is generally found in words that have the letter A followed by I. Let's practice the most used English words in which there is the sound A. When we have A plus I gives us A. When the letter I comes after the letter A in a word, the letter I becomes silent or mute. It isn't pronounced. We just pronounce A. Let's see and practice some English words that have the sound A. The first word is main. Repeat after me. Main. Main. The second word, pain. 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 Repeat after me. Pains. 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 The next word, chain. 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 The last word, chains. 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 Let's repeat the 5 words. The first one, main. The second word, pain. The third word, pains. The fourth word, chain. The fifth word, chains. Let's go to the next group. The first word is faith. 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 Repeat after me. Faith. Faith. The second word, brain. 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 Repeat after me. Brain. The third word, drain. 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 The next word, grain. 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 The last word, waste. 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 Let's repeat all the words. Faith. Repeat after me. Faith. Brain. Drain. Grain. Waste. Waste. Let's go to the next group. Acclaim. 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 The second word, acclaims. 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 Repeat after me. Acclaimed. 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 The last word, acclaiming. 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 Let's repeat all the words. Acclaim. Acclaim. Acclaims. Acclaims. Acclaimed. Acclaimed. Acclaiming. Acclaiming. Let's go to the next group. Aid. 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 Repeat after me the second word. AIDS. 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 The third word. Aided. 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 The last word. Aiding. 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 Repeat after me all the words. Aid. Aid. AIDS. AIDS. aided, aided, aiding, aiding. Let's go to the next group. Aim. Repeat after me. Aim, aim, aim. The next word. Aims, aims. Repeat after me. Aims, aims. The third word. Aimed, aimed, aimed. The last word. Aiming, 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 aiming. Now let's repeat all the words. Aim, aim, aims, aims, aimed, aimed, aiming, aiming. Let's go to the next group. Avail, avail. Repeat after me. Avail, avail, avails, avails, avails. Repeat after me. Availed, availed, availed. The last word. Availing, availing, availing. Let's go to the next group. Claim. Repeat after me. Claim, 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 claim. The next word. Claims, claims, claims. The third word. Claimed, claimed, claimed. The last word. Claiming, claiming, claiming. Now let's repeat after me all the words. Claim, claim, claims, claims, claimed, claimed, claiming, claiming. Let's go to the next group. Fail, fail. Repeat after me. Fail, fail, fail. The next word. Fails, fails, fails. The third word. Failed, failed, failed. The last word. Failing, failing, failing. Let's repeat with me, after me, all the words. Fail, fails, failed, failing. Let's repeat for the last time. Fail, fails, failed, failing. Let's go to the next group. Gain, gain. Pronounce after me. Gain, gain, gains, gains, gains. So there is a mistake. So the N should be after EI. It's this word is not written well. It's a printing mistake. So it should be GEINZ. But it's not a problem. We know that it's a problem. You can write it correctly on your paper. So gain, gains, gained, gaining. So there is another mistake here. Gay. So we don't have A and I. We have just GEINING. So gaining. Let's repeat them for the last time. Gain, gains, gained, gaining. Let's go to the next group. Nail, nails, nailed, nailing. Repeat all the words. Nail, nails, nailed, nailing. Let's go to the next group. Praise, praise. Repeat after me. Praise, praise. The second word. Praises, praises, praises. The third word. Praised, praised, praised. The last word. Praising, praising, praising. Let's pronounce all the words. Repeat after me. Praise, praises, praised, praising. Let's go to the next group. Raise, raise. Repeat after me. Raise, raise. The second word, raises. Repeat after me. Raises, raises. The third word, raised, raised, raised. The last word, raising, raising, raising. Now let's pronounce all of them. Raise, raises, raised, raising. Let's go to the next group. Waste, waste. Repeat after me. Waste, 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 wastes. So there is an S missing in the second word. Okay, waste, it should be written wastes. So there is a missing S. Wastes. The third word, wasted, wasted, wasted. The last word, wasting, wasting, wasting. Now let's pronounce all the words together. Waste, wastes, wasted, wasting. The next group is wait, wait, wait. Repeat after me. Wait. The second word, waits, waits, waits. The third word, waited, waited. So here there is a mistake. There should be EI and not IA. I. So here the third word, the phonetic transcription, it should be WEITID. I just want to mention that I know that there is a printing mistake in this slide. No, it's okay. We continue. Waiting, waiting, waiting. So let's repeat them from the beginning. Wait, waits, waited, waiting. The next group, await, await, await. Repeat after me. Await. The next word, awaits, awaits, awaits. The third word, awaited. So we have the same problem. So it should be schwa, W, E, I, and not A, I. So I just want to mention this for you to know that I know that there is a printing mistake in this slide. The last word, awaiting, awaiting, awaiting. So let's repeat all the words. Await. Repeat after me. Await, awaits, awaited, awaiting. Let's go to the next group. Rain, rain, rain. Repeat after me. Rain. The second word, rains, rains, rains. The third word, rained, rained, rained. The last word, raining, raining, raining. Let's repeat all the words. Rain, rains, rained, raining. Let's go to the next group. Train, train, train. The next word, trains, trains, trains. Repeat after me. Trained, trained, trained. The last word, training, training, training. Let's repeat with me all the words. Repeat after me. Train, trains, trained, training. Let's go to the next group. For more videos from me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as a sign of support and encouragement. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact me. Wish you all the best. Hassane, kind regards. See you on Easy English Hassane Pronunciation Course Lesson 4.